Let's see what is mole. Already I said last class only. What is mole? Mole means Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. That particles maybe belongs to molecules or maybe belongs to atoms. That particles Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles is known as 1 mole. That 1 mole may be atoms, only atom they give. Hydrogen atoms or maybe carbon atoms or nitrogen atoms or iron atoms. That 1 mole of iron atoms they give means it is equal to its gram atomic weight of iron. For example, CO2 molecule, CO2 gave means 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 CO2 molecules they gave. That is equal to 1 mole. That is equal to its gram molecular weight. Means 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 CO2 molecules is equal to gram molecular weight. Means what is the gram molecular weight of CO2? 44 grams. Gram molecular weight of CO2 is equal to 44 grams. Means 44 grams of CO2. 44 grams of CO2 is equal to gram molecular weight of CO2 is equal to 1 mole. It contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 CO2 molecules. For example, the given molecules are in gaseous state present at STP condition. Present at STP condition. Then its occupied volume is equal to 22.4 liters. Is also known as gram molar volume. Is also known as a gram molar volume. So 22.4 liters is known as gram molar volume. GMV, gram molar volume, is equal to 1 mole is also equal to gram molecular weight. Is also equal to gram molecular weight. So 22.4 liters gram molar volume contains how many number of molecules? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. That's why that gram molar volume also is equal to 1 mole. Okay, so these are the important relations related to 1 mole. Related to 1 mole. Now, today's class we will discuss some problems related to mole concept. Some problems related to mole concept. Let's see what are the important problems related to mole concept. It's very easy, man. See the questions. First question: calculate the number of gram atoms. Already I said number of gram atoms also nothing but number of moles. Calculate the number of gram atoms or moles in 1 kg of helium. 1 kg of helium means I gave you 1 kg of helium atoms. He is atom or not? Helium is atom. So that's why how many number of moles present in 1 kg of helium, or how many number of gram atoms present in 1 kg of helium? What is the formula? Weight they given means weight in grams by gram atomic weight. That is the formula for number of moles. So number of gram atoms, number of gram atoms or number of moles. What is the formula? Weight by gram atomic weight. Weight by gram atomic weight. But weight must should be in grams. Weight must should be in grams only, because here gram atomic weight means atomic weight we are expressed in terms of grams. So 1 kg means how many grams, ma? 1000 grams. What is the gram atomic weight of helium? 4. Helium gram atomic weight is He 2 4. Atomic number is 2. Atomic weight is 4. So the answer is 250 moles or 250 number of gram atoms. 250 number of gram atoms. Now understood? So number of moles in terms, it is also called as number of gram atoms. Number of moles in terms of molecules, it is also called as number of gram molecular weights or number of gram molecules or number of gram molecules. In that, what is the formula in case of atoms? Weight by gram atomic weight. What is the formula in case of molecules? Weight by gram molecular weight. Weight by gram molecular weight. So it is one important model related to mole concept or calculation of number of moles or calculation of number of gram atoms. Clear, students? Next, let's see one more question. The second question. Calculate number of moles. Calculate the number of moles when 12.044 into 10 to the power of 23 sodium atoms present. See, here atoms they given. So how many moles of sodium atoms are present? How many number of moles of sodium is present? Calculate the number of moles when 12.044 into 10 to the power of 23 sodium atoms are present. Means for case of atoms they given. In that case, what is the moles formula? The number of moles symbol. The number of moles symbol is small n. In this case, what is the formula? Given number of atoms. Number of atoms by Avogadro number. In some textbooks, Avogadro number they are giving Na, or some textbooks they are giving N naught, or sometimes N. So, however, it is refers Avogadro number. What is the value of Avogadro number? The value of Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. 10 to the power of 23. Just substitute that. This is 12.044 into 10 to the power of 23 by 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Means this 0.44 and 0.23 you have to neglect. It is approximately 6, it is approximately 12. Means how many times those are cancelling? 2 times. This 10 to the power of 23 and 10 to the power of 23 both are cancelling. Means is equal to 2 moles. Means 12 into 10 to the power of 23 sodium atoms is equal to 2 moles. Is equal to 2 moles. Now the same question I will convert it into another. Means what now? The same way they will ask. This is A. First one, calculate the number of moles and calculate the weight of sodium atoms. Calculate the weight of sodium atoms in the above question. See, 2 moles of sodium atom weight, how much ma? We know very well, number of moles is equal to weight by number of moles. So answer is N equals to weight by, weight symbol I am taking W, weight by gram atomic weight. What is the gram atomic weight of sodium? Na atomic number is given, the atomic mass is 23. So N value already we are calculated. how many moles of sodium is present? 2 moles. This 2 is equal to weight of sodium by gram atomic weight of sodium is 23. From this denominator is going to coming to left side, then it becomes multiplication. Then is equal to 2 into 23 is equal to 46 grams. Means 46 grams. The same question they will ask another way. How many number of moles of sodium present when it having 46 grams? 46 grams of sodium is nothing but 2 moles. 2 moles of sodium is nothing but 12.044 into 10 to the power of 23 sodium atoms. So, however, we can convert it into one to another values. One value to another value. Weight we converted into the moles. We are converted into atoms. They are converted into atoms, like one conversion into another, one converted into another. So like different questions, there is a chance for asking either in subjective examination as well as in a objective examination. Clear, ma? Okay, students. Okay, see next question. Okay, next question. Calculate number of atoms present in 4 grams of calcium. Calculate number of atoms present in 4 grams of calcium. Means 4 grams of calcium. For example, I gave for you 4 grams of calcium. How many calcium atoms are present? For example, see here it is visible very clear. How many mobiles and how many pens are present? Means 1 mobile and 1 pen is present. For example, this chalk, you imagine that 4 grams of calcium. There, how many calcium atoms are present? Means it's calculation because the calcium atoms are not separate individually, but the atom is invisible and very small. That atoms, how many atoms are combining? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 atoms are combined to give 1 gram atomic weight of calcium. 1 gram atomic weight of calcium is equal to 40 grams. Is equal to 40 grams. So in 40 grams, how many calcium atoms are present, ma? 40 grams of calcium is equal to 1 mole. Is also known as 1 gram atom. Is also known as a 1 gram atom. Contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 calcium atoms are present. But instead of how much weight of calcium they given? 4 grams of calcium they given. So in this case, what is the formula? Number of atoms is equal to N. What is N? N refers to the number of moles. N into Avogadro number. Means number of moles multiplied with Avogadro number, then we will get atoms or then we will get molecules. Yes. N. What is N value? N means weight by gram atomic weight. In this case, because atoms are given means for in case of atoms, what is the moles formula? Weight by gram atomic weight into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. Okay, clear, ma? Now, substitute the values. Calcium, atomic number is 20, atomic mass is 40. Atomic mass or gram atomic weight is 40. But in the question, how much weight of calcium they given? 4 grams they given. 4 by 40 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. 1 by 40 means 10. 1 by 10 means 10 to the power of minus 1. 10 to the power of minus 1 into 10 to the power of 23 means 10 to the power of 22. Is approximately 6.023 to 10 to the power of 22. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 22. Means how many moles of calcium is present? 4 by 40 moles. 4 by 40 moles is nothing but 0.1 mole. 0.1 mole of calcium contains how many calcium atoms present? 6.023 into 10 to the power of 22 calcium atoms are present. This many or this much calcium atoms weight is equal to 4 grams. It is also equal to 0.1 mole. It is also equal to 0.1 mole. Okay, clear? See, somebody are saying board is not clear. So you have to check your network. Otherwise, okay, you have to again revise that recorded video in YouTube. Okay, ma. See, let's see one more model. Now these are the different models related to atoms. Now we'll discuss about in case of molecules or in case of gram molecular weights. In case of molecules or in case of gram molecular weights, what type of questions they are asking regarding mole concept either in NEET, JEE and CET examinations or as well as board examination also. Because the mole concept is a key point or plays a key role in the entire chemistry or in entire physical chemistry. Okay. See, next question. Calculate the number of moles in 0.72 grams of glucose. 0.72 grams of glucose. Okay, calculate the number of moles in 0.72 grams. 0.72 grams of glucose. So how much weight of glucose is present? 0.72 grams. So however we are using glucose in our home, it is instant energy, carbohydrate. It is a carbohydrate, it gives instant energy. Whenever we feel nervous or weak, then what we are doing in home? They are giving glucose water. So glucose is a carbohydrate, it gives instant energy. So what is the molecular formula of glucose? Glucose molecular formula C6H12O6. 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms and 6 oxygen atoms are present. Its gram molecular weight. What is the gram molecular weight of glucose? Gram molecular weight of glucose is molecule weight is equal to the sum of the atoms weight. Sum of the total atoms weight is known as gram molecular weight. Is known as a gram molecular weight. Is it clear? So already we are calculated how to calculate gram molecular weight in fundamental classes only we are discussing. Now C6, 6 carbon atoms are present. Each carbon atom weight is 12 grams. 12 hydrogen atoms present. Each hydrogen atom weight is 1 gram. 6 oxygen atoms present. Each oxygen atom weight is 16 grams. According to that, just you have to multiply the total weight and add individual atoms weights. You have to add, then you get glucose molecular weight is equal to 180. Okay, some students, okay, very good, already calculated. Now what they asked, how many number of moles? Number of moles symbol is small n. Number of moles, no need to write always number of moles. Just you have to use symbols also. In chemistry, symbols are very, very important. Okay, ma. So here n is equal to weight of glucose by gram molecular weight of the glucose. Gram molecular weight of the glucose. Now 0.72 by 180. So simplify that. How much we'll get? 0.04. Somebody are saying 0. Yes, 0.04 moles. Baswaras and Afjal, very good ma. Okay, 0.04 moles are present. Okay, is it clear? Now the question is one more question we can ask. What is that one more question? See, 0.72 grams of glucose contains how many glucose molecules? Simple. So do you want number of glucose molecules? Now this is the first one. The second one is number of glucose molecules. Like number of atoms is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. In the same way, number of glucose molecules is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. How many moles we got? Substitute that. 0.04 into approximately 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 is the Avogadro number. So 0.04 is nothing but how much, ma'am? 4 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of means 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Minus 2 plus 23 means 21. 10 to the power of 21. Now 4 into 6 means 24 into 10 to the power of 21. 24.09 10 to the power of 21 is also known as 2.409 into 10 to the power of 22. It is called scientific notation. Some integer value n into n to the power of n. Capital N into n to the power of 10 to the power of small n. That is known as scientific notation. That is known as a scientific notation. So like otherwise this simply we will call as 0.04 Na. Up to that also we can leave because Na means 6.023 10 to the power of 23 molecules. But these exams we need to calculate. But in objective exams, according to the options, what they are asking, that only we need to solve. Okay, so like these questions are coming, ma, either in board examination as well as in objective examinations. Clear, ma? Okay. See, here 0.04. 0.04 means this decimal point is coming 2 points right side. Means 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2. Okay, already 10 to the power of 23. 10 to the power of 23 means 2 you have to remove means what? 21 only will comes. Okay, 21. Now it is 24. This 24, this decimal point is going left side means 24 is nothing but 2.4 into 10. 2.4 into 10 means the 21 becomes 22. Means 2.049 into 10 to the power of 22 only. Correct. Okay, students. Let's see next. Next question. Calculate the number of molecules. Calculate the number of molecules and atoms. Number of molecules and atoms present in presenting 11,200 ml of hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas means H2 molecule at STP. So here volume they given. That volume contains how many number of molecules? Actually 22.4 liters or 22,400 ml is equal to 1 mole. That 1 mole contains molecules always equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 molecules. Okay. So in this case, how to calculate number of molecules? After that, number of atoms. One molecule of H2. How many atoms are present? 2 atoms. After calculating number of molecules, we need to multiply it with 2 because each H2 molecule having 2 hydrogen atoms. So number of molecules. Number of molecules of H2 is equal to number of moles into Avogadro number. But instead of volume, how to calculate number of moles? Here the number of moles formula, volume given volume present in ml, that's why the denominator is 22,400 ml. 22,400 into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. So the given volume is 11,200 by 22,400 ml. So it's nothing but half mole. 1 by 2. Half mole means half n by Na by 2 molecules are present. Means approximately 3.011 to 10 to the power of 23 molecules are present. 10 to the power of 23 molecules are present. Okay, clear? Now, number of hydrogen atoms is equal to, for one H2 molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms. 2 into H2 molecules. 2 into H2 molecules. 2 into H2 molecules means 2 into 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23 is again 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 is nothing but 1 mole atoms present. Hey, 10 to the power of 21, how it will come, sir? Huh? 1 by 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. This value is not changing. Yes, the 2 is dividing, this is 3 times approximately. Nischala. Okay. So it's nothing but how many moles? 0.5 moles. So it contains 0.5 moles of H2 present. H2 molecules. See ma'am, what they are asked this much volume is present. It contains how many hydrogen molecules and how many hydrogen atoms? How many number of molecules is always common formula, N into Na. Here that N, what is N formula in this case? Volume by 22,400 ml or 22,400, because the given volume is present in ml. Is always this 22,400 ml is also nothing but 11.2 liters. 11.2 liters means 11,200 by 22,400 is how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23. How much? 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23. Means this is that many molecules means half mole only now. Avogadro number by 2. Half mole. How many? 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23. So on H2. H2 molecule. One H2 molecule is equal to 2 hydrogen atoms. But you have 3 into 3.011 into 10 to the power of 23. That many H2 molecules are present. That many H2 molecules are present. Then how many hydrogen atoms? Each molecule we need to multiply it with 2. Means one molecule is converted into 2. Another like the total number of molecules we need to multiply it with 2. Then we are getting total hydrogen atoms. Clear? Afjal. Nishal. Nishal clear right? Multiplication. Multiplication important. Formula, however, formula is important. After that, multiplications, division, subtractions, BODMAS rule. That's why you must have to more command on addition, multiplications, divisions, and subtractions. Is very, very important. Clear? That we must have to do very fastly. That's why you have to learn tables more and more times. Minimum 20 tables you have to learn. Up to 2020. 2020 matches are going on IPL, so you also learn 20 into 20 tables. Two molecules equal to one atom. Who is that? Shravana. Not ma. Two atoms is equal to one molecule. Two hydrogen atoms is equal to one molecule. Two H2 molecules is equal to 4 atoms. Understood? Let's see. These are the two hydrogen molecules, H2 and H2. This end hydrogen atom is present, this end hydrogen atom is present. This end hydrogen atom is present, this end hydrogen atom is present. Now, this total two H2 molecules are equal to how many atoms? 4. 4 hydrogen atoms are present. Clear? So, you have 3 into 10 to the power of 23 H2 molecules are present. Is equal to how many? Need to multiply it with 2. Okay. Now, let's see related important problem. Okay, students. In that question, 1.6 grams of CH4, 1.6 grams of CH4 contains how many electrons or protons? See, 1.6 grams of CH4 molecules I gave weight 1.6 grams. It contains how many electrons or protons present? For example, this question how to solve? For example, one CH4 molecule. One CH4 molecule you take. One CH4 molecule means carbon atom. One carbon atom plus 4 hydrogen atoms are present. It contains, carbon contains how many electrons or protons? Has 6 electrons or protons because it is neutral. For neutral atoms, the number of electrons is equal to protons is equal to jet atomic number. And similarly, hydrogen atom has 1 electron is equal to protons is equal to jet. So total 4 hydrogen atoms are present, means therefore one CH4 molecule contains 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 electrons or protons. Both are equal, either they contains 10 electrons or protons. Now, but you 1.6 grams contains how many molecules? Do you know? Means we can calculate how many electrons, because each molecule contains 10 electrons. That's why the total number of molecules. Now, the number of